Bath replacement in Montgomery County, Pennsylvania. Experience the step-by-step journey of a dated bathroom, turning into a modern sanctuary where design meets innovation. From the initial concept sketches to the final tile laid, witness the skilled hands and meticulous attention to detail that bring this space to life. Immerse yourself in the soothing ambience created by carefully chosen colors, fixtures, and lighting. Explore innovative storage solutions that blend seamlessly with the overall aesthetic, ensuring both style and practicality. Discover how smart technology is integrated, enhancing your daily routine with convenience and luxury. The video takes you through the process of choosing sustainable and eco-friendly materials, aligning with the latest trends in modern home design. Watch as the bathroom transforms into a spa-inspired haven, complete with greenery and nature-inspired accents. The juxtaposition of textures and materials creates a visually stunning and harmonious atmosphere. Congratulations on your new Masters Home Solutions Lifetime Bathing System. It's all from Masters Home Solutions in Montgomery County, Pennsylvania, America's largest bathroom replacement and installation company since 1957. We are in the bathroom remodeling business, protecting homes like yours. Call today for a free bathroom quote.